May profits be upon you. I hope your trading week was a good one. But in today's video, all we're going to do is go over, how well we did with the forecast by checking how close we came to those targets that we set on last Saturday's weekly forecast. So we're going to start off with the euro USD, and we came within 12 pips of the target. All right, and I think that's not too bad. No, we were close on this one, pretty close, right? So we get the old pinch. We get the pinch hand on this one. Came pretty close. Just remember, these targets will set high and low. And I said if the tensions between Russia and the Ukraine, if they get worse, prices are going to go down. But if they start to ease, things start to improve, will go up. And we kind of had both of those things happen this week, and it's reflected in this price movement, isn't it? All right. Russia says, hey, we're going to take some troops off the border, and things moved up. And then since then, we haven't been able to confirm any of those movements off the border back to the bases by Russia. So things started to ratchet back up again. So things are moving down. So we came pretty close. So we get the close hand on this one, right? Euro USD. Let's go to the next one. Euro JPY. All right. The yen. Now with this one, we did a big nothing. We went down a little bit, went up a little bit, went down a little bit. We ended up back where we started. So this one just gets I don't even know. I don't even know what symbol to put on this one. It's like it's like it did nothing, sideways action. So yeah, I'm not even gonna look. All right, so we'll move on to the next one. All right, and we'll look for how did they get there? We'll look for new targets for this pair. All right, man, I don't know. Things are getting worse. We might come back for these lows. Anyway, let's move on to the next one, which was Euro Swiss. Target hit. Bam. So what does this one get? A big old check mark. That's all it gets. All right, we get a big check mark on this one. All right, things did start to ratchet down, and even after the Putin message that he put out there, after not being able to confirm whether he was speaking the truth or not, things started to get worse, right? So we get a check mark on Euro Swiss. Let's go to pound USD. That happened today, baby. Look at that. We get another check mark on this one. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. All right. So it's not really a good thing though, right? Because it didn't go past. This would signify that the dollar became weaker, and because the flight to safety was over, and people started to feel a little bit better about putting some risk on in the markets. But that's not what held, right? The tension started to rise again, and things are starting to move back down. That's not good. It's nice to hit targets and all, but it's not good. Now with GJ, we did a big hit on the second day of, I think it was Tuesday. So we get a check mark on this one. This one is a good one, right? Went right down on the 14th on Valentine's Day, and then things started moving up. Hit this highest mark here, and that happened today, and then price started to pull back down again. All right, as the yen is starting to gain strength, as it is one of the safe havens that people run to, right? All right, so let's move on to the next one, which would be USD JPY, battle of the safe havens. And what did it do? A big nothing, right? Just kind of stayed in the middle. All right, we ended up back where we started at the beginning of the week, basically. So yeah, this one gets a big meh, right? And let's go to Aussie USD, Aussie USD. Now, with Aussie USD, we came within 19 pips of our target. 19 pips here, right? Just about 19 pips. Let me see. Yeah, that's about 19. Anyway, so we get a pinch mark on this one, don't we? Yeah, we get the old pincher. Not too bad though. I think if you think pinch, if we come close, is that a good thing? Give me a thumbs up if you think so. Give me a thumbs down if you don't. Give me a comment. Leave a comment in the comment section. All right, so we'll move on to the next one, which was Aussie Yen. Aussie Yen, we hit that target early, right? On the 16th, we hit that target and smashed through it again. That this one was a very good target, a very safe target of profit, and I hope that you found benefit with it. An old Aussie Yen. Let's go to Aussie Swiss. Aussie Swiss did a big meh, right? Just kind of, what was this? This was Valentine's Day. This is the 11th. This was Friday, and this is where I gave the right around where I gave the forecast. Things moved up, and my target should have been here. Maybe my target should have been up here, because I'm choosing the targets that I think are safest, and we missed this one. Kind of stayed in the middle on this one. That's fine. Okay, and the last one would be NZD USD, and guess what? We came within 2 pips of our target. Hey, listen, you can give me a check mark. You can give me the pinch hand, whichever one you want. But I think this one is pretty good. I mean, it made a nice beeline up there. All right, so it gives you a sense of how sensitive this the ones with the pinch hands. It gives you an idea of how sensitive they are to world events. You know what I mean? So bear that in mind for the upcoming week. And that's it. I want to make this a quick video. If you like this style that I added, this element of a measurable kind of metric, something that says, hey, we did get near target, or we didn't, or there was some beneficial analysis here. Leave me a comment. Tell me if you like the change that I made. You know what I mean? And if you have a suggestion, I would love to hear it. Leave it in the comment section of this video, right? And do not forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoy the content. And if you don't want to miss any upcoming updates or whatnot, make sure you subscribe and share with your friends. Okay. Hey, the community tab of my channel, if I could bring it up real quick, I'm going to do so right here. The community tab of my channel has a way that I like to get messages out to my subscribers. So we just have to deal with it. We just have to deal with it. Yeah, so this is my channel. If you go to the community tab, you'll see I was giving updates, 3 days ago, 8 hours ago. If you check this out every so often during the week, you'll see that I'm giving some nice updates to the videos and the trade setups or whatever. And make sure you hit the thumbs up, thumbs down. Give me a vote if I put in a poll or something. I'm gonna start using this more, so I want you to check it more. Okay, and do not forget to subscribe. Join in the LionsDenFX Telegram. All right, get in that Telegram, and the free Telegram, man. I put setups in there. You know what I mean? I put setups in there. Okay, so it's worthwhile to check it out. That's all I'm saying. All right, and you'll see also Drunken Monkey loves to give commentary there, and he's always letting everybody know what the results of the day's trading is. So join us there. I will see you in the next video. I'll probably have one out, a Forex weekly forecast for this coming week, coming out tomorrow. So I will see you in the next video, and I appreciate you taking out a couple of minutes of your day to share it with me. Talk to you later.